So in any good learning environment, assessment is a critical piece, something we call assessment for learning, which is not about testing students and testing the school, but about understanding what is the next piece for this learner. In other words, how do you collect data that understands what does this learner need next? Where are they now, and how do I support them on where they want to go? So assessment is a key piece of any school's methodology, and in the Mosaic, we really try and look at how we collect holistic data that gets a sense of where the learner is. So throughout each project that a student is working on in a Lumiar school, there's constant data collection happening throughout the course of the project. And that data is collected by the tutor, who oversees the learning development of the learners, the masters who oversee the content and the progression of the project, and then by the learners themselves. So throughout a project, there's a lot of reflection, a lot of capturing data on student performance, student understanding, what artifacts are they creating, how are they performing in response to the competencies that are targeted in this project, and collecting data from all three of those people who are involved in the ongoing work of the project. Even groups will give feedback on a project. So they will give feedback around the entire course of the project itself, how they feel they've performed as a group, and give feedback to their peers as well on how they feel they've performed in areas of their strengths and areas that they might look for improvement as well. So assessment is a key piece of the platform and a way in which we really support the learners as they move through the competencies modeled in the matrix.